July 2024, Hurricane Beryl swept across Jamaica, causing widespread destruction, and our beloved Ferguson Primary and Infant School in French Park, Manchester, Jamaica, was not spared. One of the hardest hit areas of the school was the Guidance Counselor's building. The roof was completely torn off, leaving the building unsafe, unusable. What was once a safe, supportive space for our students are now exposed. The Guidance Counselor's building is more than just a room. It's where our children receive emotional support, conflict resolution, and a listening ear during tough times. It's a vital part of our school, a place where healing happens. Without this space, our students, especially those facing emotional or behavioral challenges, have lost their safe haven. We're calling on kind-hearted donors, alumni, community leaders and members, and friends across the world to help us raise $20,000 to rebuild the roof and restore this critical space by December 2025. If we reach the goal early, we will close the campaign and start building immediately. Transparency is our top priority. Every dollar will be used for the rebuild, and we will share all spending with our supporters. Your contribution will cover roofing materials, skilled labor, contractor fees, storm proofing, waterproofing, minor interior restoration from water damage, building permits, and safety inspections. Full accountability is guaranteed. We'll provide photos, updates, receipts throughout the process, and also heartfelt messages from the students and staff. In a rural community like French Park, rebuilding isn't always quick or easy, but with your help, it's possible. Our children deserve a safe space to express their fears, dreams, and challenges. Let's not let Hurricane Beryl take that away. Donate any amount. No contribution is too small. Share the campaign on social media, WhatsApp, email, word of mouth. Encourage others to support this urgent need. Your support will help us rebuild not just a roof, but a lifeline for the children of Ferguson Primary and Infant School. From all of us at Ferguson Primary and Infant School in the heart of French Park, Manchester, Jamaica, thank you for helping us recover from the storm. Thank you for giving our students hope, healing, a safe space once again. Together we rise. Together we rebuild. Help us restore what Hurricane Beryl tried to take away. Please go ahead, click on the link attached, or go to GoFundMe, type Ferguson Rebuild Campaign. Bye.